What's up, everybody? It's bright out here because I'm surrounded by white. Crystal Lake up by Mount Shasta. Hey, some of you might have noticed that Earth 2.0 is here, right? And we might not have known that a few weeks ago, a few months ago, but it is definitely apparent, right? All of our lives, system-wide, worldwide, has changed. I was going to choose a different word, but change is definitely the case. Evolved could be used. Ascended could be used also. And we're not going back, right? Because in reality, the past and the future don't exist. All we have is now. So the question is, what are we doing now? What are you doing now? And are you providing to the we? Are you adding or subtracting? Are you participating in this ascension? Or are you just waiting for what you once knew? Are you realizing that what you once knew, your job that you no longer can go to, have you realized that you never liked it anyways? Maybe even the business that you once loved, could it be upgraded? I was actually driving in Torrance. It's a lot of businesses, office buildings over by LAX. I was driving over there a few months ago and I was looking at the office buildings and I was thinking, why do these even exist? Thousands of people drive from all over this area to go into this stack of cubicles. They just all pack in there for what? So that they can see each other? We have the internet. Why are people leaving their houses? Why are people forced to live in giant, huge cities? Anyone could be doing any job that they're doing in that building. They could be doing that from anywhere on the earth. And I had this thought a few months ago. It's funny because now that doesn't exist anymore. Those buildings are empty. And we're all at home. And so now the question is, from home, what are we doing? From home, are we providing to the essentials? Because the essentials are still working. And what essentials are we choosing? What essentials are we providing? And about a year and a half ago, I completely changed my business mentality and I started providing essentials. I started providing what a community would need, the essential ingredients for that. And we started the Holistic Justice League, and the Holistic Justice League is a virtual community centered on feeding people, getting people out of the 9-to-5 matrix, which is actually happening already right now, bingo. And so our job's a lot easier. Feeding people, getting people out of the 9-to-5 matrix, and education, self-education. And we have a system where we get paid for the greater we can make ourselves and we can make others. So it's exactly equivalent to the level of self-development that we achieve, we get paid for. The exact amount of self-development that we impart on others. The ability that we have to share ingredients, food, natural food that will heal a person from the inside out. And guess what? Guaranteed money back. So we have literally the best product that you could ever hope for, the best product that you can ever align a business to. We've got a money back guarantee, and we've got basically millions, hundreds of thousands of testimonials positive on these foods. And right now, the world is doing business with very few things, food being one of them. So if you're at home and you're jobless, or if you're at home and you're successful and your business isn't working and you're wondering what you're going to do now, we present our plan every Thursday night, 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And you can also send me a DM. Check out my stories Thursday night, 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And we can go over how you can best serve the essential earth, because we are over-consuming. We're over-consuming a lot. And we're starting over from scratch. So help build the foundation of your reality. Are you willing to do that? That's all this message is. It's a sign, it's an opportunity, and it potentially could be a foundation of your new reality. Sayonara.